You recharge your phone daily. When was the last time you recharged your mind? Calming, restoring, energizing. Recharge through sound.
Archback, archback, inhale, come back.
So, coming today at iCADMY for this flow yoga was a wonderful experience for me. यहाँ बनारस में आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा, ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस मैंने नहीं किया जो आज मैं iCADMY में फील कर पाई हूँ. It was an amazing experience. I would love to be a part of this kind of session in future. Thank you.